Hello world, siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. I hope so you're keeping well. Today is a beautiful day here in Bali in Indonesia, obviously. And I'm just going to show you a little bit around Sanur, in Tamblinga and Mertasari beach and the Eat Street by the beach side. How does it look around? Meanwhile, everything looks pretty decent. People looking for me how I vlog in Sanur, because not many people vlogging in Sanur in general. So in my enjoy, I was just passing the Hardee's and the coffee kiosk. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. So basically Hardee's supermarket or Artasadana Bali kiosk over here. And I'm gonna show you a little bit around how does it look like here. It's just the beginning of the week, so it's not as that maybe busy how some of you may expect. However, Sanur is always calm. The most important thing is that so many shops are already back and they are tourists. Some of them, they are already also back. So that's really good sign. That's definitely good sign, but you can see already merchandise stuff come back. There are some tourists already walking here, but they just put the mask, so they was like didn't want to be on the camera. They waved to me, so okay, here we go. Anyway, this is the Cafe Smorgas and situation over here, and over tourists walking by, passing by. So Cafe Smorgas, for everyone who are interested, there is the German consulate and Pantai Karang. And also over here is Forketa, very nice place for gelato. Also some people sitting inside here enjoying. And yeah, this is like you're gonna go there straight. This will be the Casablanca and stuff like this. So like for me, Sanur even, yeah, somebody know me here. Just say hi. Anyway, for me, Sanur was pretty the same all the time, even during the, you know what, because so many expats living here, but definitely there's more tourists around. Alright guys, just arrived to the Pantai Mertasari beach in the Sanur, West Sanur actually. Behind me there are the local warungs where you could enjoy satay, especially if you want, or any other kind of local dishes. There are some tables sitting here, so you can sit here and enjoy. On the other side, like everywhere around, they are like parking area and empty land. And now I'm gonna show you where you can watch the sunset in Sanur, guys. And also this beach is so popular to the local people. Check this out, how many is local people here. Some tourists also coming here. By the way, it's the beginning of the week, so if you compare as the Tamblingan street is quiet, check this out, here is very busy. And now I'm gonna show you where you can watch potentially sunset in Sanur, because it's also possible, guys. Check this out, this is the beginning of the week, but the beach is so popular to the local community, local people coming most likely to this beach, eventually to the Sindhu. As like you can see, it's actually very busy here, and this is just the beginning of the week. It's not even Sunday or weekend. And then I said you can watch sunset also from Sanur, not only sunrise, but of course Sanur is popular to the sunrise, but also sunset, especially in Pantai Mertasari beach over here. Also so many kites. The rain season is finished slowly, wind season is starting, so there will be so many kite festivals and people gonna putting kites into the sky over there, and sunset is just behind me. You can watch during watching the harbor. This is like a harbor, and just behind me is also the Serangan Island, and the only existing marina in Bali so far at the moment. There's a new marina under construction, but this one is existing one. So you can walk there all around Sanur, but if you are here, I highly recommend you to try cheese warungs here, either for the instant noodles or even for the satay. This is my favorite satay seller over here. People waiting, or any other dishes, bakso and stuff like this. People eating satay most likely or like here. Alright guys, it's almost 6 p.m. so it's dinner time very shortly for most of you, not for me. Unfortunately, I have to wait for Winnie when she's gonna finish work. And this is like a place where there's so many restaurants by the beach. Also, you can watch the Mount Agung just behind me. I hope so you can see. So I'm gonna show you how does it look and weekdays around 6 p.m. dinner time in Sanur, and where potentially you could have dinner. Alright, so just the front of you is the Omba, pretty new place, also nice. Here is the Baramundi. Also, you can grab something here. I think is popular for some sort of fish. Another restaurant here, little bit less popular, I could say. Also, the many fishermen here, so the fish in Sanur is always fresh. The people just coming from these boats over there every single morning and every single afternoon and delivering fishes to this restaurant. And this is the more successful Lila Pantai, definitely more popular place. Also seems like it's pretty busy for dinner time right now. This is just the outside look, but also inside it looks pretty busy. And on the other side there is another 2 restaurants, Bamboo Bar, also pretty busy with people around. And definitely another one is my favorite one, especially for the pizza lovers like me, but also nice Indonesian food. This one, I forgot the name, Coco Bamboo, also seems pretty busy. I'm not really like if I can film like that. Hello. So for the weekdays it's actually pretty busy. Every restaurants here are open currently, just except this one is Surya. Unfortunately it's closed. I'm gonna show you slowly 360-degree. How's the vibe here? Already after sunset or nearly sunset time, but from the east side, so it's pretty nice. It's also pretty busy inside the restaurants, deep inside, and also so many people walking around, which is very nice. Right, so yeah, what did you say?
I said I've been watching your vlogs for a couple of weeks before we came to Bali.
That's great.
Yeah,
I hope so you enjoy them.
Good vlogs, yeah.
All right, thanks so much. Where are you coming from, guys?
England.
England. And how long already in Bali?
10 days on Wednesday.
All right, enjoy it?
Yeah.
Loving it.
Really good.
That's great.
Yeah.
Enjoy, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Watching your recommendations.
Yeah.
And of course, if you wanna walk more into Hyatt Regency direction, there will be another place. It's called Seagrass. Well, it's alright, but not my personal recommendation, but it's alright. And just at the front is the most famous place in Sanur. It's called La Playa. So many expats actually dining here every single night, every single day. Also, well, it's pretty busy. Great place. Also, first restaurant next to the Hyatt Regency. So, hello, how are you today? Busy again, yeah. Hello. So, pretty nice vibes. Yeah, and the manga lady, everybody are here. So also just behind me I met the lovely family from South Africa. So many people coming, and Sanur is a place to be, guys, that's for sure. For me, my personal recommendation. And just next to it is the, of course, beautiful view of the Mount Agung and the Hyatt Regency Hotel. Also very nice hotel in Sanur. I think most of you guys who are interested about the Sanur, you know this place. Yeah, and that's how it is. It's definitely busier everywhere in Bali right now, but Sanur seems to be also pretty nice busy. Alright guys, so that was like a quick introduction to the new people, how it is in Sanur, for everyone who are familiar with Sanur, like a little memorial. It's going to be dark already. I think Winnie already finished working, so I'm gonna have a dinner with her somewhere, I don't know where. And thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed, and I will see you on next one tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.